Here are our solutions to homework set number 10 for ECE 476-676 Advanced Embedded Systems. This homework set looks at using two I2C sensors at the same time, an accelerometer and a temperature, pressure, humidity sensor. Now the goal is to collect data from both and store it in a file, collect data for 1 hour, and measure something. So here's kind of what I did. If I can find it. There's Donnie. Took two previous programs and combined them. So I'm going to set up the sampling rate. Initially it's going to be set up for every 1 second, just to demonstrate it. I'm then going to change it up and have it sample every 10 seconds, go up to class, come back in an hour, collect the data, and see what happens in my room while I'm away at class. So to read the I2C, here's a couple of routines that we were using on Bison Academy. Read the acceleration. Well, first I'm going to connect to the I2C devices. I've got them both connected to pin 0. So there's the data and clock in yellow and green. That goes to the BMP sensor and the accelerometer. When I run the program, it's going to see, bring this up, there are two devices attached to the serial port, number 68 and 76. 68 is the accelerometer, 76 is the temperature, pressure, humidity sensor. Then have the driver routines for each of those copied and pasted into MATLAB or into Bonnie, graphics display. Here's the main routine. Every second, or at the sampling rate, I will kick out, read the temperature and pressure using the BMP sensor, measure the acceleration using the accelerometer, and this is kind of one way to do it. I'm going to read these addresses. The code for these, know that, stop this, know that the GY521 sensor accelerometer is at 68, the BMP sensor is at 76. From those addresses, read the acceleration, format the output, put it out on the screen. So here's XYZ acceleration, temperature, pressure, and illustrate that. As I run it, I'll take the board. Here's a couple of readings. As I tilt it, acceleration XYZ. That should be 1G. Apparently a little bit off. I tilt another way. See the acceleration changing. And temperature, pressure. Okay. So to illustrate that it's working, let's change it to 1 second sampling rate. Illustrate that it's working. There's the accelerometer at 68, pressure sensor at 76. As I take the board and tilt it, here's acceleration XYZ. You can see acceleration is changing. That's in the Y direction. Tilt another way, see acceleration in X is changing. And temperature, pressure. Let's see what happens for the next 2 hours as I head off to class. So I'm going to change the sampling rate to once every 15 seconds. I think every 10 seconds. See what happens over the next 2 hours. And we'll let her rip. So there's the start of the data collection. 2 hours later, I'll see what happens. Okay, I just got back from class, so here's all my data. I'm going to copy and paste that into MATLAB and see what's happening. So here's my data. Paste that into MATLAB. I sampled every 10 seconds, so here's my time in seconds, 734 data points, 10 seconds per sample. Plot the first three columns. That's acceleration in the x, y, z direction. So this is what happened while I was in class. Basically not a whole lot. Just been sitting there. Let's plot the temperature. That's the fourth column. That's what happened in my room for the last hour and a half while I was in class. Warmed up a little bit. The sun's coming in the window in my room. So it warmed up by about 0.3 degrees Celsius. And the pressure, the last column, that's how the pressure's changed. So that is homework set number 10 for Advanced Embedded using I2C communication.